On today's episode of Fatty's Feast, we are going to be staying inside where it's warm and unboxing a product I just received in the mail the other day to review. I'm pretty excited about it, so let's get started. Hey everyone, hope you're all doing splendid today. My name is Josh, and thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Fatty's Feast. I'm pretty excited about this. Now, this is the first company that has reached out to me on this channel to review a product. So this is an exciting episode for me to film because I haven't had anyone reach out to me yet. I've had a few, spam companies reach out that wanted me to pay for their product review, and I wasn't interested in that. So I'm gonna do two episodes. This first one is just the unboxing, my first glance, first opinions on the product. And then the next episode, we're actually going to be doing some testing. Now, as you know, on this channel, I use meat thermometers for everything. I'm a big Thermoworks guy, right? Pen for my instant read thermometer. I use my Thermoworks X4 for my smoker, not only taking the internal temperatures of the meat throughout the cooking process, but also at grate level. Well, this company makes their own thermometer, and they wanted me to try it out. This company is called Meatstick. Now, you may or may not have heard of them. You may have seen their products. Basically, they make a wireless thermometer that attaches right to your phone. So there's A, no wires, and B, you can go do whatever you need to do and not sit by the smoker looking at your temperatures the entire time. Now, as I said, they reached out to me. They wanted me to review this product, and they wanted me to compare it to other products I use. I don't have much experience with this product, if at all. I know some people that own a product similar, which is the Meter, M-E-A-T-E-R thermometer. Same concept, wireless, but it's much more expensive. So I'm curious as to how this is going to stack up to my Thermoworks and if I view it as sort of an equal option to the Thermoworks products. Now, as you can see here, I have not opened this package. I don't know what's in here. I haven't really done much research outside of here to figure out what's in here. But to me, it feels like a small box is probably one center. I think that's what they sent me. Now, I will be upfront with you. This company did send me this product free of charge to try out. So I'm going to be completely unbiased because, like I said, big Thermoworks guy, you know, there's going to be some competition here, but I'm going to give the most unbiased review I possibly can. I will say right off the bat, once they reached out to me, they had this package on the way to my house. It was at my doorstep within a few days. So I'm assuming that's how fast their shipping is anyway, not just because, you know, it's the holiday season, they want me to review a product. But so as you can see, it's not opened. Let me take my scissors here. Thank me for my service, trauma shears. And let's see what we got. Okay. Nothing else in the bag. So, sick. A sticker. Do you see this? Wow. Look at that. The Meatstick, true wireless meat thermometer. Let's cook. And then we have, this is actually sort of cute, this little box right here. This is where I get input. Wow, this packaging is very secure, I'll say that. All right, here we go. Just had to rip it open. Okay, so here we go. So we got the product itself. This, oh, it looks like this is actually the charging station. So this is where it sits to charge. You have this little thing here, which tells you your first time setup instructions, which we're going to do today. And then it gives you all of the warnings and stuff. A thank you. And then, a 5% discount code for my next purchase from Meatstick. And then this is just the FCC warning. Let's just take this out, take a first glance at it. This caution says always insert the stick into the meat up to the handle to prevent damage. So it wants you to insert it all the way to there. I guess that sort of limits, you know, if you were going to put it in ribs, not that usually you would, but if you were going to put it in a smaller meat, you know, you'd have to do it from the side. So we can take this off. I will say right off the bat, everything is extremely secured on here. I feel like I have to use scissors for everything. All right. So let's see if there's anything in the battery compartment. There is not. So it does require 2 AA batteries. Sort of annoyed that those didn't come with it. I guess you use batteries to charge it. That's a little odd. I don't know why you wouldn't just have a plug, but okay. That's sort of annoying. I don't really like that. So let's just see what this says. I'm gonna open the app, search download Meatstick app, blah, blah, blah. Place the stick on the charger, insert 2 new AA batteries, click the button to activate your charger, and then please charge the stick for a minimum of 4 hours before your first use. I don't like that. That's annoying. Well, let me go see if I have 2 AA batteries. I'll be right back. Okay, great. 2 Energizer AA batteries, not a sponsor. Let's throw these in. Like I said, I don't like this this concept of charging a battery with additional batteries. That sounds really dumb. Like, get a plug. I think a plug would be a much smarter idea. Like every other charger I've ever used. Now you can use rechargeable batteries in here, I guess, like I do with my audio equipment here, and recharge those batteries to recharge this, but that's also very dumb. So, all right, so let's put it in here, and then it says, click the activate button. There we go. Okay, so I click that, the green light's on, and I guess we are good to go, and it says this will turn off after the stick is completely charged. Now I do just want to show you some of the things it says here. So here's where it shows, like, if you have a thin piece of meat like a steak, you can insert it in the side, keep it away from fat and bones. It looks like you have to keep the charger near the cook, which is sort of weird. And it says you can let it cool down because it's going to be hot, obviously, and then let it charge. And then just some caution messages here, up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit. If not within a heat source, the stick will turn off automatically within 30 minutes. Position the stick completely into the meat. Cooks over direct heat may cause fire flare-ups. Yeah, okay, whatever. Don't put it in a microwave or pressure cooker. Wow. The stick will be very hot after each use. Do not touch it with your bare hands. No way. The stick is dishwasher, sous vide, and deep fryer safe. So that's interesting. 1 year limited warranty. You can extend its range with the compatible charger. Okay. You can create additional sets. Interesting. Recycle, whatever. And then it tells you what each part is for. Okay, so while this thing is charging, I guess I'm going to download the app and we'll take a look at that. So I have this stupid issue on my phone where I can't download apps by double clicking the side thing or using my fingerprint. It just says, oh, no, you don't want to download that. It just keeps going back to get. If anyone else has that issue, please let me know, because it's very annoying. I always have to sign out and like trick it and then sign back in, and then it realizes I want to download an app. So I'm not filming me downloading the app because you don't need to see my info, but I don't know why this is so annoying. So Apple, you suck. I just searched The Meatstick. It came up right away. Now their competitor, which is The Meter, came up right at the top as soon as I typed in meat. So this one I had to search a little bit farther for, but it's not that big of a deal. Okay, now I have this downloaded. Look at Pickles. She's adorable. And I'm assuming it's going to, I'm assuming it's going to have me sign in or some stuff. All right, cool. Yep, customize. Yep, that's cool. Let's get started. All right. I can sign up by email. All right, so now it's asking me if I want to receive notification alerts about my cook. Sure. Local network required for the app to share. Okay, whatever. Next. Okay, next. Okay, so now this is a little weird. So you need to turn on location services, and it's saying to turn it off when you're not using it. So that's a little weird. So it's saying don't allow right now because I'm not using it. But when you do use it, you need to have it turned on. Interesting. Now it's telling you how to turn your location services on. Okay. Now it's telling me to turn it on. All right, whatever. Sure. That was really weird. It said turn it on, then that's okay. Yep, I already did that. Now what? What do I do now? Okay, thank God. All right, now we pick our charger. Let's do this one, right? This is the Meatstick X. All right, so we already did that. We already did that. Yep, we already did that. Next. Okay, so now it's telling us the signal transmission is limited to 6 feet in a closed setup, but in an open setup, it's 33 feet. Interesting. So in my case, most likely it's going to be 6 feet with a smoker. But then if you have the charger next to it and place it within the 6 feet, you can extend it up to 260 feet. Okay, interesting. We'll test that. Yep, I've read and understood. You saw me read that. Yep. All right. And then here we go. Insert the meat completely. Yep. Correct angle. Yep. Make sure you insert at the correct angle of your meat. Okay, this is interesting. I like this feature. It'll shut off within 30 minutes. Don't put it over direct fire. Yep, that makes sense. Yep, okay, we understand that. Clean after use, yep, know that. Okay, so let's learn the basics because we're not cooking, okay? Menu plus, so I can add a stick. Okay. Internal temperature, stick battery, got it. And then set up, okay. So we're not gonna press setup cook because we're not cooking anything and we have to wait 4 hours for this to be charged. So we're just gonna exit out of the app now. Okay, so I think that'll do it for this video. I don't know if there's anything else I need to really tell you guys. You're probably curious about the retail price. Like I said, I got this for free from the company. The retail price, I believe on their website, is $69.99. And they have plenty of deals going on for the holidays, it looks like. Now, right off the bat, what I will say, I like that it's wireless. I like that it connects to your phone. Some things that sort of shocked me, this charging is stupid. I don't like that. I don't like how it doesn't come charged, doesn't come with batteries. That's really dumb. And the other thing that sort of shocked me was the whole range. You know, looking at the instructions and whatnot, the fact that this will only connect 6 feet if it's closed. But if you're any farther than that, you need to use this. It's like I can't even go in my house without having this out there. And then do I have to keep this on the whole time? I'm assuming so. And then I'm just using more battery power. Very odd. I don't understand that. So we are going to test that with my Thermoworks because I do have a wireless receiver. So that'll be cool. We'll take a walk with that. But yeah, other than that, I'm very curious how this is going to work out. We will come back in a few days when it's not terrible outside and actually do a cook. I think I'm going to do a pork butt and we'll do multiple tests to compare it to the Thermoworks, both the ThermoPen and the X4. There's going to be some things I like and things I don't like right off the bat. So we'll see. But anyway, guys, I hope you found some value in this video. If you did, please smash the like button, subscribe, leave comments, whatever. I'm going to put a link to the actual test with this on the smoker. When I do it, I'll put a link, I guess here. I'll put a link at the end of this video. I'll put a link in the description so you can use multiple ways to get there. Also, I'll put a link to their website, Meatstick, The Meatstick. This is the Meatstick X. Once again, looks like they have multiple products. Like I said, I don't really know much about them, but we're going to learn. And I'll put a link there if you want to check out for yourself and learn some more. But until next time, everyone, I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay safe, stay happy, stay healthy. Be sure to check back on our next video when we test this, and stay tubby.